Good afternoon, student. The topic for today is not only but also not only but also. When to use not only and when to use but also. These are the most important things to build the sentence. For example, Sunil is a clever and Sunil is clever and kind boy in our class. Sunil is clever and kind boy in our class. म्हणजे सुनील हा आमच्या वर्गामध्ये हुशार आणि गरीब मुलगा आहे. सॉरी, दयाळू मुलगा आहे. So now see, Sunil is a subject. Sunil is a subject. So two qualities are presented over here in this sentence about Sunil. First quality is Sunil is a clever. Sunil is a clever. And another one is kind boy. And Sunil is compared with whole class. That is most important. First, the quality of Sunil, that means adjective. Clever. Sunil is a clever boy. And same sentence if you want to do it again, Sunil is a kind boy in our class. In our class is a common. The structure of the sentence, if we prepare the table, we will come to know. If you prepare the table, we will come to know and when to use not only but also. The concept of not only but also will be clear within 5 minutes. I prepare the table. Sunil is a common. Is helping verb. A clever. A, then and, then kind boy, clever boy, and in our class it's common. Now see the table. This is the table prepared. Now how to prepare the sentence with this? We can prepare two sentences using all this matter. First of all, Sunil is a kind. Sunil is a kind boy in our class. Here Sunil is a kind boy in our class. Sunil is kind boy in our class. Another sentence, Sunil is a clever boy. Sunil is a clever boy in our class. Sunil is a clever boy in our class. Now see, there are two sentences. Subject is said, Sunil is a kind boy in our class. Sunil is a clever boy in our class. Is it necessary to use Sunil again and again? The noun is repeated in both the sentence, but here I have written here Sunil only common. Then these are the simple sentences. If we see kind of sentences, simple, compound, complex. Simple, compound and complex. So this is the one type of sentence. Simple sentence. Sunil is a kind boy in our class. It is a simple sentence. Means a sentence which contains one subject, one object, one verb and one complement. Such sentences are called simple sentence. Same. Sunil is a clever boy in our class. This is also a simple sentence. Why? The reason is that this sentence contains single subject, single verb, single adjective and single complement. That's why this sentence is simple sentence. Both the sentences are simple sentence. Then what we have to do? We have to prepare this sentence into compound. That means we have to use and we have to remove one Sunil, one subject. We have to remove one subject. So the sentence becomes, see the sentence, write down Sunil. Sunil is helping verb, a article. Sunil is kind and clever boy in our class. That's all. Sunil is a kind and clever boy in our class. सुनील हा आमच्या वर्गामध्ये हुशार आणि दयाळू मुलगा आहे. आता या वाक्यामध्ये आपल्याला वापरायचे नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो. The definition or the concept of sentence, it is almost clear. Therefore, there is no need of worrying about that. Now, when to use not only and when to use but also. At the very beginning of sentence, you have to write subject. There is no doubt. Sunil followed by subject. We must write helping verb. Helping verb is. Sunil is not only. What we have removed? We have removed article. Sunil is not only clever. Then remove and use there, but also kind boy. Kind boy in our class. Sunil is not only clever but also kind boy in our class. Sunil हा हुशारच नव्हे तर दयाळू मुलगा सुद्धा आहे. This is the meaning of this sentence, and I hope you might have understood. It is not very difficult for you to understand because rules and regulations are given. The structure of the sentence also is given. First of all, subject, then helping verb, then not only, then adjective, then remove conjunction and use there, but also then second adjective, and then remaining part of the sentence that will complement. The formula for subject, the formula not only but also. You will not get formula from in any book. Okay? So pay attention. Subject plus helping verb plus not only plus adjective plus but also plus second adjective second adjective plus complement remaining part of the sentence. This is the formula of the structure of not only but also. There is no need of writing any rules and regulation. There is no need of writing any rules and regulation. It's very easy. Now second sentence I am going to give you, so that we will go by formula. You may understand whether formula is correct or incorrect. Okay? So first, Rima is aggressive and Rima is aggressive and naughty girl. Naughty girl in a family. Rima is aggressive and naughty girl in our family. Now see, go by formula. First of all, we have to write subject, then subject. Rima. Rima is the subject. Rima, then followed by helping verb. There is no change. Rima is. Right there, not only aggressive. Remove and use there, but also naughty girl in a family. Rima is not only aggressive but also naughty girl in our family. Same sentence. Subject, helping verb, not only but also not only, then adjective, but also, then second adjective, and then complement. Got it? Now using this formula you can prepare many sentences as much as you can. The more sentences you prepare, the more confidence level will be increased. So prepare the sentences. If you have any problem, just comment in comment box. And when you watch the video, just hit like with subscribe button with bell icon, so that you can get new videos with new updates. And if you have any suggestions or if you have any confusion, you can ask me. If you have any problem regarding any topic in grammar, whole problem will be solved as much as immediately. Okay? Have a good day. Wish you all the best. See you next period on Monday. Thank you.